In the past year, there have been over 82,000 ER visits at RMC. That's averaging more than 220 visits a day. That means families who require immediate medical attention found the care they needed close to home.
In the past year, RMC had about 1,800 trauma activations. This means that people received life-saving, critical medical assistance when minutes mattered to keep them alive.
In the past year, RMC got more than 1,000 stroke alerts. This means patients got the treatment they needed to prevent a life-altering medical event.
In the past year, RMC handled over 150 cardiovascular activations, and this means that more than 150 patients were saved from dying of a heart attack.
Since the county brought back labor and delivery services last October, there have been more than 250 births at RMC, and counting.
In the first year since it joined Santa Clara Valley Healthcare, our county's health and hospital system, Regional Medical Center has transformed so many families' lives.
Demand for critical and time-sensitive care continues to grow at RMC. Between April 2025 through February 2026, cardiovascular activations increased 27%. Trauma rose 44%, and stroke care grew by 40%.
Regional Medical Center defines who we are as a public healthcare system for the entire community, which is, we are here for everyone. You can count on Santa Clara Valley Healthcare's 4 hospitals and 15 health centers.
Happy anniversary, RMC!
Feliz aniversario, RMC!
RMC 1周年記念おめでとうございます.
Xin chúc mừng kỷ niệm 1 năm RMC.
Happy anniversary, RMC!